Welcome back, everybody, to Vlogmas. In today's episode...
Wait.
What?
I got an interesting idea for Vlogmas. I was thinking maybe we could have a gingerbread house decorating / building contest.
Well, I mean, I guess you can, but did you get gingerbread?
No, but give me just a second, and I think I can. Look what I found. Are these cool? I found these Super Mario gingerbread castles. So I think we should see who does the best castle.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Oh, it's on.
Happy Vlogmas, everybody. So here we are. We're ready to get this challenge started. And it's gonna be equal playing field because we both have the exact same ingredients and kit. And we're gonna let you guys vote on who did the best castle. So you'll have to let us know in the end who you thought did the best job.
Yeah, the
So-
comments below.
Yeah. All right, so first up, we're gonna unbox this lovely beauty and show you everything that it came with and let you kind of know where we got it. So this is the Super Mario Ready to Build Gingerbread Castle made by Wilton, which is the same company that makes those cakes, like cake decorating tools and stuff. We found this at Walmart, and while Gary holds up kind of the pieces, I'll read what the back says.
Okay.
So it comes with 4 pre-baked gingerbread castle panels and 1 gingerbread mushroom cookie.
So you can see on top there's the cookie and there's the 4 panels there. Okay.
All right, next up we have 3 types of colorful candies.
Okay, that's very good. There's some, I think these are, there's some star candies, okay. We have some gold coins, because, you know, Mario loves his little coins. And then we have some looking like dewdrops. We have colored green and red. Not very many, but a few.
Next up we have Super Mario and Mushrooms Icing.
Okay, so I'm guessing, here's the icing, ready to use icing. So you get a pretty big pack.
Yeah, because you gotta glue the panels together, which should be pretty fun. Next up, there is Fondant, both red and green.
I'm guessing that's these 2 packages.
Interesting, we're gonna be rolling out some fondant here. The white ready-to-use icing, so not quite.
I think this one is the ready to use one.
Nope, that's the black icing tube.
It's the black icing too.
That's the big panel thing that you took out.
Okay.
This was the mushrooms, and this was the Mario icing decorations.
Okay. Cute little guys.
And a colorful presentation board.
Okay, that is this circle, I'm pretty sure.
And a helpful instruction sheet.
Yeah. It's very helpful. It says front goes to the front, side goes to the side.
Oh, apparently we're gonna need other things. It says you will need granulated sugar for rolling gumdrops. You will need cornstarch for smoothing icing and confectioner's sugar for rolling fondant. We don't have any of that.
I mean, we have some. We don't have confectionery sugar though.
So we're just gonna do our best. And it says that you need a rolling pin, parchment paper, small angled spatula, a butter knife for spreading icing, scissors for cutting gumdrops, and toothpicks for marking fondant.
Wow.
So
Good pick on this one.
I didn't read the instructions. I just figured you just pick these kits up. But you know what? We'll do what we can with what we have.
Yeah.
So, still gonna turn out great. I do not think we have parchment paper.
No, we're out. We have tinfoil. We don't have parchment paper.
So we'll figure something else out. All right. So that is what comes in the kit. So be prepared if you decide to purchase these kits. Read the back, kids, because I missed some vital information. Prepare your cookie. Before you even begin to assemble your castle, check all the panels. As with any baked product, as there may be some slight shape variations. Look over all panels, make sure they're straight, use a plastic ruler or paring knife to trim the edges and align when assembled. Okay. So the base is made from the cardboard insert. Okay. That is included with the wrapped cookie panel. Place the insert on a flat surface to use your base for building your castle. Alrighty then.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
All right, welcome back, everybody. We artificially made ourselves an hour long delay till we could stop, so we just kind of came up with this time to stop decorating. As you see in front of you, yes, there's our lovely castles.
So this was way more complicated than I thought. Obviously, after reading the instructions, it requires more than just your basic hands. This was very complicated for what really was a simple process.
I have to be honest, I had a ton of fun though. It was really fun building it.
Yeah.
But really frustrating because insider's tip for you guys, if you ever actually make this one, build the walls like entirely on flat surface and then put them together, because if you don't, it just keeps falling and falling, and both of us had the same problem in falling. And mine actually, you'll see, mine has a little cup that fixes it so that the thing doesn't fall down, so it's a little bit of a cheat, but
yeah, like if you were to decorate these, let them dry and then stick them together, I think you would have a lot
it would look cleaner for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Because I ended up just slopping on the frosting stuff just to keep stuff settled, and it helps some, but not really.
Yeah. And any type of movement whatsoever in the general vicinity, and the castles come falling down.
But it's so cool though, the little stars, the
Yeah.
coins, the Mario figures. I think the Mario figure's even edible from what I felt. I didn't try it though.
Yeah, it's a sugar, so I think it's just a sugar.
And then our hidden go-to is well do we do our mushroom cookie? We didn't do anything on the mushroom cookie.
Our mushrooms are blank. So the fondant, it's supposed to get red fondant, and the red fondant was really dried out. But overall, yeah, the candies were really cool. The gumdrops, they look really cool, like they're jelly, but they're hard as a rock.
Yeah, we need those.
So that's a little deceiving. The black icing will definitely stain your fingers.
Oh, it's on my pants. It's on everything. It's on the table.
Yeah, this was messy.
The black one was wicked. The white frosting too does actually get pretty much everywhere too as well. So we will definitely be doing a lot of cleanup after this. But
Yeah, Gary's bag exploded on him
Yeah.
at one point. So, yeah, but overall it was really fun. It came with everything mostly that you needed to decorate with. I would
say other than the gun drops, which is the only thing that we actually ran out of, we have plenty extra of everything
Yeah.
else. So you could definitely do a lot more decorating than we did. But we said an hour. That's pretty good. Remember when you're voting? Macy forgot to put her thing underneath it. So take off some points for that and vote for this one. 'Cause it's
We'll be posting the pictures up on our Patreon and letting people vote in there. And you guys can vote in the comments too. Let us know which castle you thought was cooler, which one was more unique, which one went outside the box, you know, like...
We just had fun. So
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching us today, building these really cool gingerbread castles. And we'll see you tomorrow on Vlogmas
Yeah,
for the next one.
yeah. See you tomorrow.
So don't come get lost with us again.
Happy Vlogmas.
Bye.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family.